Cobalt ADS-8fx solenoid decoder from DCCconcepts. First of all, read all the instructions. Follow the instructions and you won't go wrong. What I have done is, scanned it and enlarged it, and I can see it properly and understand it better. Good tips. That's the instructions. And this is what it looks like. On the left hand side, as you can see, the board with 8 outlets for your points, and on the printed board itself, it tells you all the, where the DCC goes in, the solenoids and monitories and the frog power. Then this is the main point here. We'll zoom into there. Them are two like two barrels. Them do. They look like two barrels, and these are what we're working with. This is what we're working with, these two buttons here. We're going to set it to set. I'll show you from there. As you can see, I put little blocks on mine with wires going from each point to there. Then you're not getting metal screwdrivers here, because once you get a little spark from that, it blows it. And that's one output less you've got. So if you really don't, I've done it usually with telephone wires, and this you work on your block. As I can see, I've noticed I've wrote 1 to 4 on the bottom and 5 to 8 on the top. So what I'm going to do, I've done all the rest. I've just left number 7 out. So what I'm going to do, I'll zoom in for you. Come on, focus. You can see that little one there. There. I'm using a piece of wood and I'm moving it across. Then I've done that, and I'm going to go over across to my unit. I put press switch in it. Press switch. I select 7. I go to plus, flush, so forth. I go to program, exit, switch. Right. Then I go back to here. I push up. I put it back to run. I've got a point motor there. I'll just put it onto switch number 7. You should see it work. What I'm going to do, I'm going to run 2 sets of points for crossover, and it will do it beautiful. I have placed my board. I will place the board in, so I'll give it a few minutes. I'll give it a pause. The board what I've placed underneath my, and a load of wires that have gone all going to each point. And that one's not very hard, was it? Also, you can set it up with Railmaster. We go to these points. Same points I've just done. What you do is you have it set as you're setting on the setup switch. You come along here, you press that one, do that. If you see, I've got that as point 1. Then you go back here and put it to run, and it should remember it. And that is my I've got 21 points amongst that lot. I've got 16, well, 32 points working off 16 to give me 16, you know, 2 points running off each capacitor, and I have no problem, knocks them straight over. Then I have another point motors all over the place, and that's my layout. Thanks for watching. I hope this has been some help for you.